teacher James, and I'm here with Anne.
My name is Pan.
Thank you very much. And today we are going to do an experiment about series and parallel circuits. First, we have the two boys that are going to show us and explain what kind of circuit do we have here?
Series circuit.
Series circuit. So, Fortune, can you connect the series circuit? You are connecting the wire to what piece? Yeah, to the battery. The battery is a power source that is giving power to the
Light bulb.
And what kind of problem can we have with this series circuit?
When one broken, another can work.
Perfect. When one component is broken, the rest of the circuit is not going to work. So we do not use this type of circuit if we need something important, like in the house. Next, we have the girls. Girls, can you tell me what type of circuit are we using here? A parallel circuit. And to turn on the circuit, what do we need to use? We need to close the switch. Very good. We need to close the switch. And this gives us light in both of our light bulbs. How can I check if this is a parallel circuit? I can remove one component. This light bulb is still working. This means that it is a parallel circuit. What place in the house do we use the parallel circuit? Yeah, what place in the house? Yeah, in the bedroom we use something like this, so that if I need to use the TV at the same time the charger, the same time as the lights, everything can work and we do not have to worry about the circuit being broken. We also have, where is the ruler? The ruler? The metal one. We can also use the metal ruler. What type of material is this?
Iron.
An iron. This is a conductor or an insulator.
Conductor.
Conductor means electricity can move or not move?
Can move.
Can move. And we can check this because if I put the ruler in the middle of the switch and the circuit, the light bulb still turns on. Okay, thank you very much to our students for helping us today. That is the end of the experiment. Thank you.
Thank you.